on time.
Right, now let's talk matters. Judiciary Cabinet Secretary for Public Service, Geoffrey Ruku, is asking Judiciary to prioritize the resolution of related dispute cases, saying that speedy resolution of these cases could unlock billions of shillings currently held in litigations. The funds, he noted, are urgently required by Kenya's due to Kenya's fiscal constraint, and will support critical government services, including those within the judiciary system. The CS made these remarks as at the official launch of Judiciary's 2023-2024 Performance Management and Measurement Evaluation Report.
We have tax administration disputes which judiciary should take care of. And some of these disputes have been within judiciary for years, spanning to 5, 7, 8 years. And some of these tax administration disputes are amounting to billions of money, which Justice Mrima is talking about. So if we expedite the process of ensuring the tax disputes which are there in our courts are properly settled, then we'll be able and we'll be in a position to move with the speed on getting the resources needed to be availed to the judiciary and other institutions of government.
Now, let's head to Isiolo County government.